Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. So as you saw on the title, I'll be showing you guys on how to book an appointment in VFS Global under 5 minutes. You saw that, right? So no introduction, no blabber. I'll get straight to the point. I'll share my screen and show it to you guys. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So once you open your Chrome browser, just type in VFS Japan. Any country if you want to book an appointment through VFS, you just follow the same process. You just have to enter the country name. So here in this case, I'm taking Japan as an example. You can enter VFS Germany, VFS France, VFS Italy, etc. So I'm just entering VFS Japan, and if you click on the first link, you will go to book an appointment. So just click on book now, and here you can go to find a center. So find a center, I'm going to apply from Bangalore because I'm from Bangalore, and I'll choose Bangalore as my location. So once I choose Bangalore, it says book now, and it opens another page, book an appointment. In this book an appointment, just click on book an appointment tab, and it opens up a new tab, and it goes to the registered login page. So here enter your email ID. If you don't have an email ID, you have to register first with the given form of new user registration, which I'll show in a minute. So you have to enter your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, password, and you have to enter the CAPTCHA. My recommendation is to enter your actual mobile number and not your family member's mobile number, and actual applicant's mobile number, and also email ID. It has to be a proper email ID with a proper name. So many people have funky email ID names. I do not recommend giving such email IDs because this application will be sent to the consulate. So once you fill this, you will get a link to activate it, and once it is activated, you can come back to this screen, and you can enter your email address and password. And I'll just enter the CAPTCHA, and it opens up your VFS homepage. And here you can see apply for visa to Japan in India, and you have 4 options here: schedule an appointment, reschedule appointment, cancel appointment, and email appointment. So schedule as an appointment is something that we are looking at, and I'll show you in a second. Reschedule appointment is if you want to reschedule any appointment. Let's say you booked on Monday, and if you want to reschedule it to Tuesday or any other day, that's the option to choose. And if you want to cancel your appointment, you can use this tab if you've already booked, that is. And you have to, like I said in my previous videos, you have to carry the physical copy of the appointment letter. So if you want this, you can select the last option. So let's go and click on schedule appointment. So once you click on schedule appointment, visiting country is Japan and residing country is India, and center would be Bangalore because I stay in Bangalore, and you can choose accordingly VFS centers for Japan, that is Bangalore, Chandigarh, Jalandhar, and New Delhi. And appointment category in my case, and the target is to select tourist visa, but you have transit visa, you have visiting relatives if any of your relatives is there in Japan and you want to visit them, and then you have dependent family separation for spouse, long-term resident. If you are working and if you want to apply for long-term resident, you can spouse or child of permanent resident, student with COE. So most probably it's business visa, and it is tourist visa. So if I select tourist visa, as you can see, the page is loading, and the latest available date it will show is 12/12/2022. So before 12th of December, there is no other slot available in the VFS Global for Japan consulate. So if I click on continue here, it is going to ask me the customer list. Customer list is nothing but you have to enter your details. Like if I say add customer, so I will probably have to add my passport number, my date of birth, my passport expiry date. I have to select my nationality, that is Indian, first name, last name, gender, and mobile number will be automatically populated. So you have to just enter these details, and then you have to click on submit, and once that is submit, you will get a new customer list, and you can choose your appointment date, that is from 12th to next 10 to 15 days. I have not added my customer because I am not going for Japan visa now. I am trying for another country visa right now. So I'll show you guys once that process is completed. So this is I took Japan as an example to show you guys. So once you do this, you will get you have to pay the amount that is as per whatever the embassy fees is for Japan visa. You have to pay that 650 rupees, and you have to book the appointment slot. So once you book the appointment slot, while going to the consulate, carry the physical copy of this appointment letter. That's why they have email appointment letter. And once you carry the physical copy of this appointment letter, you will be let inside, and you can follow the further process. So similarly, if you want to book for, let's say, VFS Germany, Italy, France, Belgium, anything, you can follow the same process. The process of booking an appointment in a VFS Global remains as it is. There is no change. Hey guys, so as you saw my screen, 5 minutes are over. So I want to end this video right now. If you have any questions, do ping me on Instagram or comment in the comment section for immediate response. I'll catch you guys in my next video.